Hi everyone, this is Slasha. So here we go again for another week of Timeless Trial, SS and SSS. Interesting to note that on Thursday, a new level SSSS is introduced. So we'll likely try this as well, which gives more enchant packs. That's always good. Alright, so for the SS trial, we will get another accessory. There are a lot of good accessories that we still need. And the time law, what is the time law? Restoration 80%. Okay. So we don't have any other bonus character other than Bozel, which I think is good enough. Now, question is, do they charge at us? Or do they stay? Oh, we have characters on the left. Let's think about this for a second. Who's the faction buffer? Wait, there's no faction buffer? What? There is no faction buffer. That's interesting. There's Emmerich as well. Interesting. So we have no idea how the enemy actually moves. So we're just gonna try this and see if they actually move on the first turn. If they don't move on the first turn, we can actually cheese this with young Jessica and probably Cherry. This Altmiller is kind of a problem. So what we're going to do is first move characters forward and just test if they actually move. If enemies move, then this stage is actually quite hard. Oh, they don't move. So we could totally cheese this. Interesting. So we could totally cheese this with young Jessica. Shoot them down one at a time. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll take down the two at the bottom first. Then we'll take down the ones at the top. We can basically still cheese this. 1, 2, 3. Wait. So our Bozel is not. Oh, yes, it is in range. Okay. So let's AoE these two. And then what we'll do is Chivalry and kill Emmerich. Then we'll go to this side. What we'll do is to basically move again. Hack again. Oh shit, he's not fully healed up. That's a problem. Yeah, because restoration is only 80%. So I don't know if we can kill Leon. Oh shit, we barely took up Leon. That's not good. So the enemy is gonna start moving now. That's not good. All the enemies gonna start moving towards us. We couldn't one shot. Oh fuck. Oh no! Complete fail. Okay. That's bad. That is bad. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Yeah, the other strategy is to put Young Jessica siege mode, right? And then you give attack blessing on Young Jessica, and then you basically attack again to have Young Jessica nuke 2 characters, then have Cherry come from the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh shit, Cherry can't even reach them. What the fuck? You can't cheese this with Cherry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, you can't cheese this with Cherry. Interesting, because they are. Huh. Yeah, because they have 5 mobility. Okay. Well, I think we still do this. Fuck. Yes, that's not good. Yeah, because our characters are freaking separated from the left and the right, so oh god. I think Luna might kill us. Yeah, since we can't kill Leon, we might as well just guard. Wow, we couldn't even kill Leon, what the fuck? I think we need to disable Egbert. Yeah, I think we need to disable Egbert. So Leon will get attack blessing. And we need Leon to kill Luna. Oh, fucking world. Oh, okay, we still went through that. Wow. Wow. Interesting. We had 50%. Oh, we have damage increased by 30%. And then we had another 15% from Miracle. So that's 45%. And he's at 5 star. Oh, sorry, 4 stars. So he went from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5. And that's another 10%. So that's that in total is 45 plus 10, 55%. So we completely negated the 50% damage reduction from that rider, which is pretty good. So we will then try to 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh shit. Oh crap. He's gonna AoE us. I think we slightly messed up. Oh, Jesus Christ. We slightly messed up here. Yeah, we slightly messed up. Actually, we didn't. I think we're still fine. Oh shit. Do I attack Egbert then? I don't have maximum movement. So I should have slapped okay, I messed up there. I should have slapped Outriller. Whatever. He's gonna AoE us. Yeah, there's the AoE. Someone will die. Oh, no one died. No one died. No one died. No one died. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, Leon's not gonna do too much damage to this. It's all Lancer. And he has a lot of shit. He had a lot of stack of okay. Okay, that worked. Okay, not the cleanest fight, but we managed. Okay, Tiaris is pretty good. Normally in the past I would bring probably Cherry and Elwin instead, since they are on the same faction and Elwin boosts Cherry as well. But in this case now I could actually bring Tiaris and Leon, which to some degree also mitigate damage reduction talent from enemies. And previously, if I bring Elwin, Elwin has very high damage multiplier skills as well as talent, anyways. But I think this is more well-rounded, with Leon as the only melee DPS and Tiaris as the second healer with lots of buffing potential. In It's actually it's debatable. It's debatable. But Leon's legs is longer, so in this fight, it's definitely better than Owen. He can reach from very far away and attack and come back. Yeah, and especially when we were split from left and right, between, so then Leon can go from left, charge, and then use his talent to move 3 space towards the right, and then in range of Liana and Tiaris and Ledin to guard and to heal. Huh, interesting. Yeah, alternatively, we can bring young Jessica and cheese this map because enemy do not move. You give her attack blessing and fireball like a unit down outside of the range. Yeah, you act again and you just two-shot someone. Okay, let's see what we get. Oh my god, we got another APAC boots? Holy shit. We already have one. We already have one for Elwin. We got a second one, so we can put this on probably other infantry if I have them, or Lancer. Like who do I even put this on? I can put it on Egbert. Not Egbert. Put it on Bernhard. My Bernhard is like level 1. So if I get serious for like PvP, all the other foot soldiers needs Apex boots. But I don't even have those heroes. I didn't pull on any collaboration banner. I have to think about this. Should we pull on those banner like Leonhard, etc.? We didn't pull on the Yu Yu Hakusho banner at all, since we were saving up for many of the crucial characters. For example, we got Elwin and Leon, and then we got Bozel and Liana, then we got Tiaris and Lana. So I saved up a lot to get those. That's why we didn't pull on any of the other banners. Now, arguably, other than SSR heroes that I need to unlock bombs, like the Hurtle and Leia and Gerald and Leia. I don't need too many other SSR heroes, so it might be worthwhile to start pulling on some of the other banners. The rate-up banners, collaboration banners. It's always good to have Apex boots. I think you need like 3, 4, 5 of them, or like depending on how many infantry, like not infantry, but yeah, could be I think mostly infantry and lancer, right? Yeah, depending on how many foot soldiers you have, and you want to use Apex boots to move them. Yeah, so this help us. I mean, that's why it's called Apex boots, because it's for Apex arena. You need the movement. You need the movement along with breeze, probably, to move very far and actually reach enemy in one turn. Then I actually need to re-enchant everything, which also sucks. Like my Elven has full moon on for PvE. For PvP, you want him as Lancer with breeze. This is very nice. Thanks for watching. /out out.